Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do another quick little continuation of this head that linked to previous videos in the description. So, we can, if you notice, this shape is pretty reminiscent of a beard, and so we can actually, if we extrude this out, select those faces, hit E, extrude out, you can kind of see now we have this little beard. Eyebrows, if we want him to have eyebrows, let's select these faces in through here. It's kind of an odd shape, but it makes it a little interesting. Makes it more interesting. Next, we can take these two eyes, these two faces, which the eyes will go in, hit I, so then we can pull this face in like that. If we pull that back into the Y-axis a little bit, you can see this nice... this would be good for a low poly game. Let's take edge split. It's a little not too great. We'll just leave it on flat for now. And I'm gonna remake the neck. I removed the neck. Hit I, pull that in a little bit, pull that down and back to get that neck again. This is kind of looking like a more like an almost Japanese type character. If in a game you wanted that, then this would be good for that. We can extrude the nose out. All depends on the character. If you want him to have a long pointy nose, I suppose you could do that. For the purpose of this video, I won't do that. I'll let you experiment with that. I'll just leave the nose pretty flat right there. And with this, because you can't see the mouth, this is actually pretty easy to animate if we created shape keys. I'll demonstrate that really quickly here. If we create basis, and with this one, if we grab this vertice, we want to enable proportional editing. Let's go into side view here. Grab. We can pull that up like that. And if we slide this up and down, you can see his facial expression is actually pretty, what's the word? I don't know. It can sell it pretty well with it. Especially if it's just a simple little game. Nothing too fancy. Not like all those fancy games coming out. And same thing with the mouth. You could just take the corners up through here. It's not as good because those are the corners of the nose. But for a smile, you can pull that up, or for a frown, you can pull that down. You can see he frowns and smiles. That's pretty flexible right there. Let's remove that. So, yeah, with, the shape keys, you can then quickly animate basic facial expressions into the character. We could work around the ear a little bit more, so it's not so flat. Let's put this on median point. Let's remove proportional editing, scale along the x-axis to kind of pull the ears out or in. It all depends on what look you are going for. If you pull it in, I think originally looked probably best. That's probably the best way. So yeah, you can make his face skinnier if we go into the front orthographic, whatever mode. You can select like these faces, proportional editing, scale X, pull this really big. You can pull his face really in tight or make him a little wider through the cheeks. So a very flexible character. So yeah, have fun with making your own characters, and I'll see you later.